Looking to jazz up your front or backyard garden? Look no further. In this mesmerizing video, we showcase the most creative ways to revitalize your garden, both in the front yard and backyard. Transform your dull yard into a stunning oasis with these brilliant home garden landscaping ideas. From beautiful flower beds and stylish pathways to elegant water features and cozy outdoor seating areas, we explore some awe-inspiring home garden landscaping ideas to transform your space into a natural paradise. The first aspect of your front yard that you should consider is the path or walkway that leads up to your door. This pathway can be created using stones, bricks, or concrete, but it is the base to your landscaping idea and one of the focal points of the yard, so keep this in mind when adding unnecessary curves. A front yard that is steep can have a path that incorporates steps into the design to ensure that the walkway on a hill idea is not too steep for your guests. If you want more of a garden feel in your front yard, using mulch or tan bark to create a path is appropriate as well, though oftentimes these paths are accompanied by stepping stones to make sure that the ground is even. Get ready for endless inspiration and learn how to express your personal style through innovative garden design. Unleash the full potential of your outdoor space and create a paradise that will leave everyone in awe. Whether you have a green thumb or not, our genius tips and tricks will leave you enthralled. Discover enchanting floral arrangements, stunning shrubs, and innovative hardscape designs that will have your neighbors green with envy. Don't miss this captivating journey into the world of beautiful home gardens. Get inspired and start creating your dream oasis today. Discover innovative techniques to elevate your garden and make your front yard the envy of the neighborhood. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we explore ingenious solutions to maximize space, utilize creative plantings, and incorporate visually stunning landscaping elements. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this must-watch guide will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a true masterpiece. Say goodbye to a dull and uninspiring backyard and hello to a vibrant, lush home garden that will leave everyone speechless.